Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need updated software and 2 controllers. Start now. With controllers paired and profiles signed in, launch Gang Beasts and pick local play. Once done, choose party mode or arcade depending on your menu. Make sure each controller registers on the character select screen so players can join. This is the point where the game recognizes separate inputs. This step begins split screen by allowing multiple characters on one console. It's the foundation before arranging players into versus or free-for-all matches. Once controllers are active, have each player press the confirm button to join the lobby. You'll see avatars appear. Next, select characters and customize skins so everyone's visible on screen, then choose rounds, arena, and match type. These settings control match length and flow. Make sure controller mappings feel correct. Rebind buttons in options if someone prefers different grab or jump buttons. These mid-game steps finalize who's playing and how the split-screen experience behaves during matches. You're ready to start. Press start and the match begins on the shared screen. Watch for input lag or one controller not responding. If that happens, stop, reassign the profile, or disconnect and reconnect the controller. Sometimes a quick restart of the game fixes the recognition. For split-screen display problems, make sure your TV is using the correct HDMI input and Xbox resolution matches TV capabilities. If issues persist, reboot the console and test controllers in the Xbox dashboard to isolate hardware versus game settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.